Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send high quality WhatsApp video. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you are in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now head over to the chat where you want to send the quality videos. Now if you select any videos and send it to this chat, as you can see, the quality of video is not that good. It's quite blurry. So in order to fix this, what we can do is go back, and here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now choose settings from here. Now from the settings menu, choose the storage and data option. In this page, you can see media upload quality option. Tap on it. Now here you need to select SD quality option. Currently standard quality option is selected, so I'll switch it to SD quality and tap on this save button. Now go back, head over to the same chat. Now if I send the same video again, the first video was like this. It's quite blurry. Now the second video is very smooth and clear. It's higher in quality than previous one. So that's it. That's how you can send high quality WhatsApp video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.